Yes, friends, we'll discuss next example on impulse invariant transformation. Uh, Determine the digital transfer function using IIT method. IIT method, as you know, impulse invariance transformation method for the analog transfer function as given below. In this case, analog transfer function of the filter is given, that is h of s equal to s plus 2 divided by s plus 2 whole square plus 9. Same method what we discussed for the previous example. Here also we are making use of same method. Here denominator term represents the poles of the system, so we have to find poles of the system. That is, the poles of h of s is given by s plus 2 whole square plus 9. So you can take 9 towards RHS side, that is s plus 2 whole square equal to minus 9. Finding the roots, nothing but we are getting s equal to minus 2 plus or minus j3. You can take 2 other side, it becomes uh, s equal to minus 2 plus or minus j3, that is we are representing as a 2 poles, s1 equal to minus plus j3 and second one s2 equal to minus 2 minus j3. Same thing I am representing here, that is h of s. I am substituting these values in the given transfer function, that is h of s equal to a divided by divided by s minus s1 plus b divided by s minus s2, where s1 and s2 representing poles of the system. Let us calculate the constant terms with the help of partial fraction expansion method. So s minus s2 into a plus b into s minus s1 equal to what? H of s. H of s is what? H of s is, that is s plus 2. Okay, s plus 2. And find the a value. A equal to s plus 2 divided by coefficient of a, that is s minus s2, that is s equal to s1. So substitute here s plus so I will replace wherever s is there, replace it by s1, that is s1 plus 2 divided by s is replaced by s1 minus s2. Substitute, already we calculated the value of s1, that is s1 equal to minus 2 plus j3 plus 2. Similarly in the denominator side, substitute the value of s1 and s2, that one we already calculated, s1 equal to minus 2 plus j3 minus as it is minus 2 minus j3. Next, for the simplification, after simplifying, numerator becomes j3, denominator we are getting only 2j3. j3 at the numerator, denominator 2j3, so j3 get cancels and we got 1 by 2, hence a equal to 1 by 2, that is equal to 0.5. Similarly, calculate the other value, that is b value. B equal to s plus 2 divided by coefficient of b, that is s minus s1, which will come to denominator, and coefficient of a, that is s minus s2, hence s equal to s2. Similarly, in place of s, write s2 plus 2 divided by s is replaced by s2 minus s1. Once again substitute the values of s2 at the numerator, we got minus 2 minus j3 plus 2. Similarly, substitute the values of s2 and s1 here, it is go. Simplifying, once again we are getting 1 by 2, hence b equal to 1 by 2 point, that is equal to 0.5. Hence we calculated the values of a and b. Substitute, h of s equal to 1 by 2 divided by s minus s1 plus 1 by 2 s minus s2. I will take it outside, 1 by 2 I will take it outside. So with the help of standard IIT pair, s1 equal to minus 2 plus j3, s2 equal to minus 2 minus j3, hence 1 divided by s minus s1, that is a standard IIT pair, that is 1 divided by 1 minus e to the power s1 t multiplied by z raised to minus 1, where s1 is what already we calculated, that is substitute here minus 2 plus j3 t multiplied by z raised to minus 1. Similarly for second pair, 1 divided by s minus s2, that is 1 divided by 1 minus e to the power s2. S2 is what? Minus 2 minus j3 t z raised to minus 1. Those values we have directly I am substituting, h of z equal to, hence transfer function of the digital filter is h of z equal to 1 divided by 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 1 minus e to the power, same thing, minus 2 plus j3 into t z raised to minus 1 plus 1 divided by, same thing I am substituting here, 1 minus e to the power minus 2 plus j3 t z raised to minus 1. Hence this is the transform function of the digital filter using IIT method.